Alright, welcome to Nick and Quinn's algebra project. Nick will be doing the first example, which is me, and Quinn's got the second one. Alright, we're doing factoring trinomials if you can't tell already. And the first example will be 2x squared plus 13x plus 15. Alright, so what you're going to do here is you're going to multiply these two and to factor them. What you're going to do is you're going to multiply a and c. So we got a, b, and c here. And you're going to multiply a and c first. Put that there. And you're going to take b and bring it down here. So your factors will multiply to get 30 and add to get 13. And of course those would be 10 and 3. 10 times 3 is 30 and 10 plus 3 is 13. And from there we're going to go to the box method, which is you're going to make a box. Like so. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put 2x in the first one because that's a, 2x squared, sorry. And you're gonna put 10x in the next one and 3x and then 15 x.
No X.
No x. My bad. Thanks, Quinn. Quinn's helping me out. Shout out, Quinn. So see, you can see here is here's your factors, and then you got your a and your c. So now from here you just find what they have in common, which would be x and 5 and 2x and a 3. So the way you would set this up for your solution is you're going to have 2 parentheses and you got them up here, so you go you're going to do 2x plus 3 and x plus 5, and that will be your answer. And that is the first example of factoring trinomials, easy difficulty.
This is Quinn with example 2 of factoring trinomials. And so here a is 1, b is 5, and c is 6. So we're going to do a times c, which is still 6, and we got to find factors that multiply to 6 and add up to 5, which is b, and that would be 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So we take those and go to the box method. And so in the first box, you have a, which is 1, and then or x squared, and then on the fourth box you have 6, and then you have your 2 factors, which is 2x and 3x. Now you find the things in common with it. So this would be 2, and this would just be x, so it'd be x plus 2. This is just x, and this one it would be 3. So you'd set it up like this, and you get your top box, and go down here, and it'd be x plus 2. And then this would go right here, and this would be x plus 3. So your answer would be x plus 2, parentheses, x plus 3. And that is your answer when a trinomial A is 1.
Example 2. Alright, here we are with the third example. Factoring trinomials, and me and Quinn are going to split this one. I'll start it off, Nick obviously. And so our last example is 12x squared minus 11x plus 2. And of course the A would be 12, the B would be negative 11, and the C would be 2. Let me fix that. Quinn's got to work on his handwriting. And so we would set it up as you would multiply the A and the C, as you can see we did here. And that comes out to 24, and then you just use the B, which is negative 11. And we're just gonna put that down here. And so you gotta find the factors that would multiply to get 24 and negative 11. And those would be negative 8. That's an 8. And negative 3. Because negative 8 times negative 3 would move to a positive, which is 24. And then negative 8 plus negative 3, which would just basically move over and mean minus 3, would come out to negative 11. Now Quinn's going to show you the box method, since I've brought us here. And here you go, Quinn.
Alright, so your A is going to go in the first box, which is 12x squared. And then your C is going to go in the last box, which is 2. And then your 2 factors are going to go in these boxes, which is going to be negative 8x. And then this box will be negative 3x. You do what they have in common, and this is going to be 3x. This is going to be 2. This is going to be 4x. And this is just going to be 1, since negative 3 and 2 don't have anything in common. So you're going to write it out. 4x plus 1 and 3x plus 2. I'm gonna go right there, and then this is going to be your answer.
And there we are with the last example. I hope you enjoyed, and have a good day, Miss.